are back here at West 8th Avenue in Escondido.
Hey guys, Josh, I'm with Chris. We just finished a project. Pretty excited because it was actually really quick. Chris, how long did it take us?
It only took us 7 days.
7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
The
7.
house is currently listed.
Listed for sale. We have no pictures. Our photographer is right behind the scenes here, processing the photos, hopefully. But we rushed this one, and we had to because the market is hot. But we spent about, how much did we spend?
$8,100.
And that was for labor, material, a couple of lights here and there, probably another $1,000, say. Photos, probably the most expensive part of this whole thing. Let's just say $9 grand all in. We purchased it under $500,000. We're listing it at $629.
Yeah, we didn't do a whole lot. We did just like little things to freshen it up and spruce up the house. We painted the fence, painted the trim, and then we gave it a whole new fresh coat on the outside and inside. And then obviously staging really makes it pop. But as you guys can see, the house was completely redone. It has a nice fresh new look, and hopefully it's a good home for the new home buyer that comes in here.
Yeah. All right, guys. That was a quick video for a quick flip. Peace out.